Hello everyone, in this short video I show you how you can read your CSV file in R. So first of all you need to set your working directory so that R knows where exactly to search for that file. So we just run that and then we can use two options. We can either use read CSV from base R or we can use freed from data table command, which is faster for bigger data sets. So first of all, we just try to read in as normal the CSV file, and you probably see here when we look at the data we have the separation semicolon, but here we don't really get the data table correctly, how to separate the specific columns. For that you just need to specify the semicolon as separation, and now you can just run that again, and as you can see here when we look at the data it's now within columns correctly assigned. The second way is with the freed function from data table, so you need to install that package and load it. If you don't know how, please watch the other video, and then you can just read in the same data set just as another way. And when you want to look at the data set and there is not enough space here to see the whole data set, you can open it with view in a separate window. So here you can actually see all the data, and you can, for example, just sort them by name or by score or even by time. Great, thanks a lot and have a nice day.